have arrived. Got enough stuff? Yes, yes we do. Hi, Henry. Are you having fun over here? Hi. Somebody looks tired. Whoa. Austin, you having fun?
Huh?
You having fun?
Yeah. I want him to go.
No. He's got his ball. He's so excited.
Wait, where's the other ball?
I think it's in the bag still.
I'm gonna go get it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you go get it? Are you growling it? Are you growling?
You so silly.
Your face is a mess. Austin is digging a very big hole. Very deep hole. Of a nice little setup. Henry, are you at the pool? You relaxing? Are you relaxing? You're so silly. Who's the baby shark here? You got sand all over your face too, huh? You chilling? Ooh, get it. Careful, don't fall. There's the beach in the background. It's really loud down there at the pool. But yet it's peaceful. Hello, people. So it's actually the first time that I'm getting on here to talk. We have been enjoying our time here at the beach. I have Henry here and my brother, Austin. He's been in videos before, I think y'all probably know him. But me and the guys are about to head down. We're gonna go take some pictures on the beach. So I just wanted to get on here because I realized I hadn't really vlogged much of this, but I am gonna do a video and it's just gonna be a bunch of clips from just fun stuff that we're doing. So stay tuned for that. You wanna say it? Push the button.
No.
Oh, okay.
Wait, you're still videoing?
Yeah.
Oh. I pressed the elevator button.
Good job.
That's the whole reason I came.
Go into the basement.
Not really the basement.
Well, it's just called B, so I assumed it meant basement. Maybe it means beach.
Or maybe it means bottom.
Maybe it means bottom, you're right. Let's walk around this way. Or you want to walk over? We haven't walked on the bridge yet. My dress is from Amazon, and it's so beachy.
We're just walking to the beach.
We're walking to the beach.
What happened? You tripped? Wait.
Yes, that's what happened.
Oh.
I tripped, and I'm glad that we got that on video because that was pretty funny.
I was focusing more on the video.
Anyway,
So, actually, I should.
we're about to go meet my sister down at the
Present.
beach. She's gonna take a few pictures for us. I've got the camera.
Henry's
We're on
just
Monday.
looking all around.
He's not sure what to do.
He's looking at the camera.
You're looking at the camera?
Oh. Got some sand and some grass over here. Pretty nice, pretty quality grass.
Alright. Let's see. I need to call Lexi so I'm gonna need her real quick.
Oh. Okay, yeah, so we're.
Say hey from the beach! Say hey from the beach!
We just got back from
We just took a few pictures.
taking
And Austin
some
took all the pictures. She did
pictures.
great.
Well, you took some pictures of me and Henry.
And we got some pictures of Henry as well. And he wants the video. So that's what he's doing. Now we're about to walk back.
They have a.
Tomorrow when Zach gets here.
Wait, Zach's coming?
Yeah.
I think I kind of overheard that, but didn't know.
Yup.
But we were just messing. 1 minute
We'll
of
only be
video.
here for a little while, but a little bit's better than none at all.
Here we were at 1
We're so
minute.
excited.
We're at 1 minute of recording, and look. Yay.
Great. Kind of hard to walk in the sand, huh?
Yeah. And record. Okay. So we're going down to the beach today. Yeah.
We can switch this.
Oh my gosh.
It won't go. I'm sorry. Y'all, it won't go.
It's okay.
Oh, now we're going up. Darn it.
Step forward.
Oh my gosh. No, don't come over here.
Why did it change to going up?
Because it was way up. Somebody hit
11.
Get out.
Okay.
Oh, it's going down.
Video and all of this.
Yeah, this happened. They went up to 11 for some reason.
And Caitlin is deathly afraid of elevators.
Yeah, she hates elevators. So do I.
That's why it was buzzing, but
Yeah, and it wouldn't let me push the button because it was already scheduled to go up. I mean, it could have had like an arrow or something telling us what to do.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my gosh, Henry.
Okay.
Heading out to go take beach pictures. Look at Henry. Say hey. Hey. Kelsey, say hey. Oh, Lexi's head was covering you up. The drone is about to come out. Where's Austin? Say hi. 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 Now I'm gonna give the camera to Austin.
To me about like a baby?
Because you are a baby. You're the Gerber baby. It's just an inside joke. I'm gonna hand the camera over now to Austin, and he's going to do a little part.
Whereabouts?
Yes, it is. Yeah, that'll be pretty. But we don't want to be facing in the direct sun because no one will be able to see, and it'll wash all of us out.
Dad is already spotted out.
Okay, well, yeah, we'll just wait for him to tell us where to go.
Right, if we face this way,
I have to make sure that we're getting a good video, and I'm also having to walk on sand, so I keep on falling down in the sand, and it keeps on getting bumpy like that. So
Try to hold it steady.
I am, but now I'm exhausted. I almost tripped again, like Caitlin. Caitlin, why do we keep on tripping? Hey!
oh, say hi, mommy. Say hi, mommy.
He's looking at the drone. He's very, very intrigued by it.
Oh, you're breathing